let them know you're gone. Susan, the plans they made put an end to you. Walked out this morning, I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. Sunny days I thought would never end. Only times when I couldn't find a friend. Always thought I'd see you again. Put my mind to an easy time, lecturing toward the sun. Lord knows when the cold blows, it'll turn your head around. Hours of time on the telephone line, talking about things to come. Sweet dreams of flying machines, pieces on the ground. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. Sunny days I thought would never end. Only times when I didn't find a friend. Down upon it, Jesus, help me make a stand. I can't make it through another day. Hey, my mind is aching and my time is aching. I can't take it any other way. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. Sunny days I thought would never end. Always thought that I'd see you, baby, again. Thought I'd see you fly away. Thought I'd see you fly away. Let things coming my way, time around with you. You know, I thought I'd see you one more time.